Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pyro Chem part number 550938 Bleed Down Adapter Kit. And this adapter kit includes the brass threaded flange, and then the hex cap bolt that will run through the center. And this video is to simply serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this material. We'll take a quick look at the installation instructions, at least to point them out to you where they are located. The outside dimensions of the flange, 2.132. The outside dimensions of the threaded portion here, 1.12. The overall thickness of the item, just to give you an idea of what that is, 0.775 between my finger and thumb. The ID of the threads in the center, 0.367. Now, there is a link below this video to the installation instructions, so let's switch to the screen view and take a closer look at that. Okay, so this is the item that we are looking at. Bleed Down Adapter Kit for Pyro Chem KitchenKnight 2 systems. Now, the installation instructions are linked to down below this video, and the first thing that catches my attention is this collar clamp is mentioned. I reached out to the manufacturer, and they specifically stated that this was not part of the Bleed Down Adapter Kit. You know, I would say for me at least, it would be helpful if they were to indicate that that part and provide the part number is not included with the 550938. However, these are installation instructions for installing the collar clamp and not the 550938. So that part number specifically does not include the collar clamp. So it's not disingenuous or misleading. My initial reaction, not knowing that it is or is not included, makes me think that it's included, or question whether or not it's not included at all. So you'll be able to review the steps on how to install the actuator cap, and I won't go through the individual steps, but they're linked to here down below. Speaking of down below, there's a link to the manufacturer's page as seen here, where you will be able to review not only all the Pyro Chem products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the other items that we may have. There's not much here for Pyro Chem. The link back to their website may be the most valuable of item. The data sheet is here, along with the the system brochure. And those documents are going to refer to the KitchenKnight 2 overall system of fire suppression equipment. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, so the name Pyro Chem is synonymous with fire suppression systems. We're certainly not the only company who produces such systems, but nonetheless their name is quite synonymous with it. If you have any questions on the part number 550938 Bleed Down Adapter Kit or any other Pyro Chem product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.